Good morning, everybody. So today is officially my first day of junior year. I actually can't believe I'm a junior. Whoa, that's wild. So obviously this year all my classes are over Zoom. I have a couple of friends that have in-person classes, or like half in person, half on Zoom. But all my classes this year are over Zoom. I know things are obviously a little different this year, but I film it for you guys every year and you always seem to really enjoy it. So I thought I would just film it for you guys this year again, and show you what my first day of junior year looks like. But anyways, I just woke up a little bit ago. I need to get up and wash my face, brush my teeth, and maybe do a little bit of makeup for the purpose of this vlog and my first day of class, I guess, kinda, even though no one's gonna see me. My first class today starts at 10, I believe. I also want to work out at some point today to stick to my health grind that I started while I was at home. But yeah, so much to do, so little time. So let's get up and start today. Okay, I'm gonna just do a little bit of makeup. I really don't want to, but I feel like it'll, I don't know, motivate me to start my day better. And so you guys don't have to look at me like this. Okay, we're gonna just do a little bit of moisturizer. I'm using the Clinique Moisture Surge one. This is my OG. Gonna do a little bit of that. My skin is always super dry after I fly too. Do I want to do this? Gonna do a little bit of chapstick. This one is by Palmer's. It's my favorite. I feel like it's one of the only chapsticks that like really works. Let's do a little bit of concealer. Just a tiny bit. Let's do a little bit of eyebrow gel. Curl my lashes a little bit. I actually recently tried this mascara. It's by Honest Beauty and it's so bomb. It's like a duo one, so it comes with a primer and then your mascara. I've gotten all my friends hooked on this, no joke, and it just like makes your lashes so long but so natural. Look at the difference. So crazy. Okay, that is the look. Super simple, natural, not really anything crazy. But let's go pick out an outfit and get dressed now. Okay, here's the outfit of the day. If I'm being completely honest, I may have stayed in my pajamas. But starting off, this top is from Joe Brown. They kill it with loungewear. It's so soft and just so comfortable. And then these shorts, I want to say are Brandy. I got them so long ago. And then these shoes are from EMU Australia. It's an Australian slipper company or just shoe company in general. They have really cute stuff and they're super comfy. But yeah, that is my back to school outfit. Guys, it's such a pretty day out today in Bloom. I wish we could just go outside and actually have class.
Zoom's not working at campus. Logins are also having issues. Questions on the third year, so I just want to clarify any concerns in order right now. Before I get into the core schools, I want to highlight here.
I fully just made a coffee during class. This is so weird, guys. And I'm also taking this class in bed. I just finished with my first Zoom class and that was so weird. I don't even know how to feel about that. The class was really interesting. It's a marketing class, intro to marketing. My professor seemed really cool too. So I'm excited for that. That'll be really fun to take and just learn about. But I think I'm gonna make myself a quick little lunch right now. I think I have a little bit of time and then I'll get ready for my next class. So let's go do that. Okay, I'm gonna make a little healthy open face sandwich. These crackers are my favorite. They're in a Ziploc bag because they get kind of messy, but they're the light rye crisp by the Wassa brand. I also tried the TikTok trend of the bell pepper sandwich the other day and it was so good. So I'm gonna use the other half and make another one. I'm gonna do a little turkey. I'm gonna cut up some tomatoes. And that is lunch. I don't have a lot of other things I could put in here, so I just have turkey and tomatoes, but I'm kind of a picky eater anyway, so this is just like how I like it. I'm also gonna put mustard too, so I'll have that on the side. I know this isn't a lot of food also. It's not like my main lunch, it's just to kind of tie me over until my next class. I just don't have a lot of food here. I still have to go grocery shopping. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat this now. Bye.
Let's talk about the course goals and the course objectives.
Betty. What's up, Beatty? I would say
I'm in my language class right now. Okay, just finished with my second Zoom class. It actually went pretty well. It was my language class. But anyways, right now it's 3 o'clock. My last class of the day starts at 7 o'clock at night, which kind of sucks, but it's over Zoom, so I think it's fine. Right now, I think I am gonna go get a quick workout in just to kill some time. I'm gonna meet one of my friends at the gym, and maybe we'll get a Starbucks after. We'll see. But anyways, that's the plan. I'm in my workout clothes, just super basic, nothing special. I feel like I always just wear basic black workout clothes. But anyways, let's go get a workout in. Almost forgot my mask. Okay, let's go. Also gonna sanitize everything before I touch anything. I think I'm gonna just do a walk today at like a 1.0 incline, maybe 1.5, and then a 4.0 speed. Okay, update. I just got back home a little bit ago. My last Zoom class just finished. I didn't film it for you guys just because I feel like it's the same content that from earlier. But anyways, right now my friends are gonna come over for dinner. We're gonna have our first dinner in the apartment. Good way to end off our first day of school. Guys, we did that. I mean,
you did that.
Come on. This looks so good. We made fish, sweet potato fries, and then broccoli on the side. So bomb. Fam dinner. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
First day of junior year.
We're back.
We're gonna look back on this in like 10 years and be like,
Be like, oh my god,
boom.
you're so cute.
Okay, I just finished editing this video and realized I don't have an outro. But I just wanted to say I hope you guys enjoyed this first day of junior year vlog. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. I'm seriously so excited to get this video up for you guys. And just start my regular weekly videos again and get some college content up for you guys because I know how much you love it. It's been a little hard for me to get into like a solid good routine, but I feel like I finally figured it out. So weekly vlogs as usual are coming soon. Just another reminder, let's all be staying as safe as we possibly can. Wear your masks, wash your hands. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next Tuesday. Bye guys.